everyone, happy Mardi Gras. This is our February Scout Circle Wine Club. If you don't know me, I'm Christine Hopkins. I'm an independent wine consultant for Scout and Cellar. We are the #1 direct selling wine company in the country, and we are one of the top companies for wine clubs as well. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek into what is included in the February 6-bottle mixed wine club. So we have 4-bottle, 6-bottle, and 12-bottle wine club options. My most popular though is our 6-bottle mix, which is this one. So let me give you a peek of what's in February. What's cool about this one is there's actually 4 wines that are international wines. So they're coming in from all over. We partner with growers all over the world, but it was a really a great surprise to see these wines this month. So brand new, we have an Oso Pardo Rosé coming from Spain. We have the new vintage of the Che Fico Pinot Grigio coming from Italy. And here's the thing, when you're in the club, the new vintages are going to be available to club members first. Super cool, right? So this is available to us in the February box, and then next month it'll be available on our site for an a la carte order. Next up is a Chardonnay coming from California. This is an oak Chardonnay. We also have an oak. And a mixed track red coming from, with a partnership from Testa, and this is coming from North Coast, California. This is a combination of Cabernet, Petit Syrah, Zinfandel, Carbano. Next is a Legato Malbec coming from Chile, and another one from Chile. This is our Vente coming from Central Valley, Chile, and this is another one of our club exclusives. So the perk of the club is there's club exclusive wines, there are quarterly deals, it's a set price, and all of this includes shipping as well. You also get the occasional gift and surprise for being a wine club member. So if I can get you set up, it takes 5 minutes, and if you're a wine drinker, a regular wine drinker, Scout Circle is your best value. And if you're a regular wine drinker, think about joining the Clean Crafted Wine movement and sharing clean crafted wine with me as an independent wine consultant. Cheers, y'all.